Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go-to channel for mastering Salesforce one trailhead at a time. Today, we're diving into one of Salesforce's most powerful tools, formula fields. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of Salesforce trailblazers. This session will help you unlock the magic of formula fields to create dynamic, automated data displays. By the end of this video, you'll not only be able to create a custom formula field using the formula editor, but you'll also understand its practical use cases and learn to write simple formulas, empowering you to make your data work smarter, not harder. Ready to take your Salesforce skills to the next level? Let's jump in. Formula fields are like the Swiss Army knife of Salesforce data management. They allow you to dynamically calculate values, display related records, or even create hyperlinks right within your records and reports. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine knowing exactly how many days are left before an opportunity closes, or having a clickable link to an account's website directly on the contact record. This is the power of formula fields, transforming raw data into actionable insights. Let's explore how to create them step by step. First things first, let's locate the formula editor. From Setup, navigate to the Object Manager and select the object you want to create a formula for. In this example, we'll use the Opportunity object. Click Fields and Relationships on the left sidebar, then click New. Choose Formula as the data type and click Next. Enter a field label like My Formula field. The field name should auto-populate. If it doesn't, just copy and paste from the trail brief. Select the type of data the formula will return, for example, text, number, or currency. For now, let's choose text. Click Next to access the formula editor. Now that you're in the editor, let's take a quick tour. Here, you'll see tools to insert fields, operators, and functions, as well as a syntax checker to ensure your formulas are error-free. Always use the advanced editor for maximum functionality. Let's start with a simple cross-object formula. We'll display the account number from the account record directly on a contact record. Here's how. First, navigate to Setup and open the Object Manager. From there, select Contact. Next, go to Fields and Relationships and click New. Choose Formula as the field type, then click Next. Give the field a name, let's call it Account Number, and select Text as the return type. Now, in the Formula Editor, click Insert Field. Drill down through Contact, Account, Account Number, and click Insert. Before proceeding, hit Check Syntax to make sure everything checks out. Once the formula is good to go, click Next, set the appropriate field level security, and save your changes. And just like that, you've created a cross-object formula to make your data more accessible and actionable. Now, navigate to a contact record to see your new field in action. That's the magic of cross-object formulas. For our second example, let's calculate the number of days until an opportunity's close date. A handy tool for sales teams to prioritize deals and stay ahead of deadlines. Let's walk through the steps. Head to Setup, open the Object Manager and select Opportunity. From there, go to Fields and Relationships, click New, and choose Formula as the data type. Enter Days to Close as the field label, and select Number as the return type. Then, click Next. In the Formula Editor, type Close Date minus Today, open and close parentheses. Make sure your formula looks like this. This formula dynamically calculates the difference between the opportunity's close date and today's date. Click Check Syntax to ensure everything's error-free. Click Save and assign the field to the relevant page layouts so your team can access it. Now, it's time to see your new formula field in a report. Open the Sales app from the App Launcher and head to Reports. Click New Report. Enter Opportunities in Search Report Types field. Select Opportunities. Click Start Report. Make sure your Update Preview automatically is enabled. In the Add Column field on the left side of the page, enter Days to Close. This is the field we just created. And just like that, you've added your formula field to a report. Formulas can sometimes throw errors. Common issues include missing parentheses, incorrect parameter types, and formula result mismatches. Always check to ensure every opening parenthesis has a matching closing one. Double check that your inputs match the required data types, and make sure the formula's return type aligns with your field type. Use the Check Syntax button to identify any errors, and don't hesitate to refer to the Salesforce documentation for more guidance. Remember, debugging is an essential part of the process. All right, it's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into the hands-on challenge. We're going to create a formula field that calculates the number of days remaining before a contract expires. Exciting, right? Remember to launch your playground or select your preferred Salesforce hands-on org to follow along. First, head over to the Object Manager. Once there, find and select Contract, then click on Fields and Relationships. Now, let's create a new formula field. Name it Days Remaining, and make sure to set the return type to Number. For the formula itself, we'll use a simple yet powerful calculation. End date minus today, open and close parentheses. This will give us the number of days left until the contract expires. Make sure your formula looks like this. Take a moment to check your syntax. This is key. Once everything looks good, save the field and head over to a contract record to see the magic in action. And hey, if you followed along, congratulations, you've just earned 500 points on Trailhead. Keep up the great work. Today, we explored the fundamentals of formula fields, learning how to create your first formula and how to apply it to real-world scenarios. Remember, formula fields dynamically display calculated data and can reference fields from the same or related objects, so always use the Check Syntax tool to debug your formulas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy trailblazing.